Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares DIY, and I really want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel tonight because tonight is the night that we are drawing for our giveaway for our Jeulia Jewelry ring. One lucky viewer or one lucky subscriber is going to win this beautiful piece of jewelry, and let me grab it so you can remember what it looks like. Okay, hold on, let me fix it. If you'll remember, this is what I'm giving away on my channel tonight. One lucky winner will win this. And I had so many people when I did this giveaway say, I can't believe you aren't going to get anything for yourself. Well, y'all, Jeulia Jewelry was kind enough to send me something too. And it has come in, and I want to show y'all what I picked for myself because I love it so, so much. Okay. So this is what it comes in, this beautiful black box. Just like all of Jeulia Jewelry's items, you're always going to get a catalog that has beautiful pieces of jewelry in here. And inside there, you're going to get a little cleaning cloth. And they also hook you up with a gift bag. And this is this big stop ring, the stop little brochure thing that says don't take the tag off until you know for sure, because once you take the tag off, it is yours to keep regardless if it fits or not. So don't remove your tag. But y'all, this is what I picked for myself. Okay, let me show you. Let me get it open. This is so exciting. It's beautiful, y'all. I am so excited to wear this. This is what I picked for myself. Let me see if this ring light is going to pick it up. I don't know if you can fully pick up the sparkle. I love this ring light, but it is very bright sometimes. I'm going to take it off and put it on. I've actually been wearing it around for a couple of days. And y'all, I am in love. Guys, I don't know if you're looking to pop the question to your girl, but let me tell you, if you are, this is one gorgeous ring. Like, I can't even fully show you all of the sparkle because it is that much. It is stunning. And I'll be sure to put the link to the item number down below so you'll know exactly which one this is in case you decide you want to order one for yourself, or if you want to get one for your girlfriend or ladies. They even have a wish list if you want to go in and make a wish list and just happen to email your guy your wish list for Christmas. If you do, I will hook you up with the 15% off discount code down below, so definitely be sure to check that out. But y'all, I'm ready to give away this ring. Okay, so who wants to go see it? Who's ready to draw the name for our winner? I did go to a website called Comment Picker to choose our winner. And yeah, let me go show you who Comment Picker picked as our winner. So hang tight. So now we're ready to pick our winner, y'all. And I've gone ahead and gone to commentpicker.com. I've entered in the YouTube URL link into the link right here. And let me show you who they picked as our winner today. Pay no attention to the 20,000 tabs open in my computer. Hey, it's Diana McCullough. Diana, you are the winner of this beautiful Jeulia Jewelry giveaway on my channel for 20,000 subscribers. I'm going to tag you in this video. I hope you're watching with me on this live premiere tonight. If you are, yay! I'm so excited for you, Diana. Thank you so much for your sweet words, and thank you so much for all of your support of my channel, girl. I totally appreciate it. Congratulations, Diana McCullough. This ring is coming to you, girl, in the mail. Just be sure to hit my email address up with your shipping address so I can get this sent out to you. And be on the lookout because I do have a couple of more giveaways coming to my channel. I have had so many gracious manufacturers to reach out to me, and we will be doing more giveaways. So I hope y'all liked this giveaway. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.